This one is for you BMW fans. Insta360 and BMW Motorrad have had a strong partnership for quite some time now, with Insta360 being the official action camera partner for the BMW rocket racing team in World SBK and play a key role in BMW Motorrad's flagship events such as the GS Trophy, even sponsoring racing schools all across Europe, powered by BMW Motorrad. How good's that? This year, the Insta360 X5 BMW Motorrad Edition will be unveiled at BMW's annual event, the BMW Motorrad Days 2025, which is happening this weekend. I was invited to go, but I couldn't, so we're gonna unveil this guy right here in my kitchen dining area thing. Thank you so much Insta360 for sponsoring this video. Let's have a look at what's in the box. In the box you get all this. A soft carry pouch to keep your Insta360 nice and safe with that delicious BMW Motorrad and Insta360 co-branding lens cloth and USB-C cable. Whoop, right there. Co-branding is also on the X5 itself and also on the power off screen. Ooh, yeah. And of course, there is the BMW Dashboard, which is a salute to BMW's GS series, which is like a sleek, intuitive design and all sort of blends into how your dash looks on the GS bikes, all while displaying real-time data all over your footage. Looks really cool. The battery is also quite a lot larger. You'll see this. It has the orange ring around it, where the standard ones right here, they got the blue guys. So these guys are 2,800 milliamp hours, which will give you around 27 more minutes of record time than the standard battery, this guy right here, for a total of 235 minutes record time. By the way, if you already own the standard X5, there's a new firmware update that's just been released, which boosts the record time by another 23 minutes. So you now have 208 minutes of record time. That's plenty of time. That's so much time, man. Hey Siri, how many hours is 235 minutes?
235 minutes is 3.92 hours.
3.92 hours. That's crazy, man. And you also get this little guy right here. It's the mini remote control. And man, like, look, this thing's tiny. It's like the size of my thumb. It's so small. And you also get 2 rubber rings, so you can strap it to your selfie stick, just like that. And you can just full on use it as a remote control. Or obviously put on your handlebars as well with this guy. Oops, I started recording with it. I'm gonna show you what this does. It's pretty handy. To power it on, just press and hold for 2 seconds and it'll turn on the remote and the Insta360. Just press it once to start recording. To mark a highlight, you double press. You can press it 3 times and that'll change the shooting mode. Press the button twice and that will turn on and start recording automatically. When you want to stop recording, just press it again, that'll stop and it'll automatically shut down after 5 seconds. When you're in instant frame mode, you can double press it to go from fixed view to selfie view. So that's fixed right now. It's always showing what's on this lens right here. Boop. Press it again and that goes on selfie view. So no matter which way I turn around the camera, it's always going to be on my face. That's pretty clever. Triple press it and that'll give you a nice 360-degree view around my messy bench. Press the button again, that stops recording. Press and hold down for 2 seconds. You've just turned off the remote control and the Insta360. How good's that? That's so handy. That's so small, man. You can just hide this on your handlebar. No problems at all. And of course, all of the features the X5 has to offer, such as 360-degree low light filming, replaceable lens, which is so handy now, and of course, crispy 8K quality. But the list goes on. These are such a fantastic little camera. If you own a BMW or you know someone who owns one and you want to get them the best present ever, why not complete their look or yours with the Insta360 X5 BMW Motorrad Edition? Also, there's a Prime Day sale that's just started today. Save yourself some cash. It's all for a limited time only though. So check out the description for all the details. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you Insta360 for sponsoring this episode. And I'll see you guys in the next vid. Boys.